Now that lady nodded and cautiously closed the door as though no one inside the house should be disturbed. Okay, as you know, the girl came to meet her, but she was not interested in any meeting, and she told that it is not convenient time for her and asked her to come another time. And after that, she very cautiously, very precautionary, she closed the door, and she did not want to disturb anyone inside. For some time, the girl stood on the step, and then the curtain in front of the way window moved. Okay, there was a window also in front of that house. The curtain opened, and someone from the window stared at the girl and then asked what she wanted. And the woman said, "Oh, nothing." She did not want anything. The girl looked at the nameplate again. Dorling, it said. Okay. On nameplate, Dorling was written in black letters on white enamel. And on the gem, a bit higher, the number 46. Okay, there was a number plate also there, and number 46 was written on it. As the girl was going slowly toward the station, she was thinking about her mother, who had given her the address years ago. Okay, this address was given to her by her mother years ago, and it had been in first half of the war. The girl was at home for a few days, and it struck to her immediately that something or other about the room had changed. Okay, suppose you come to your house and you see some change, then immediately you can identify. The girl also identified some changes about the room, and some things, actually not some, many of the things were missing. Then she asked for these things to her mother, and her mother was surprised that she noticed about it so quickly. And that time her mother told her that Mrs. Dorling had taken these things. The girl had never heard of that lady earlier, but her mother told her that she was an old friend of her, whom she had not seen for years. And now she had suddenly turned up and renewed their contact. And after that, she is coming regularly to their house. And every time she leaves their house, she takes something home with her. Okay, her mother, the girl's mother told her that whenever Mrs. Dorling comes to their house, she takes something home with her. She took all the table silver in one go. Okay, there were silver cutlery kept in on their table, and she had taken all that cutlery in a time. And then again she had taken antique plates that was hung there, and she had trouble lugging these large vases because there was a large box to carry on. She was having trouble also, but she had taken. Okay, the mother of the girl was worried about that she may have some pain in her back, still she had taken. And her mother suggested that she wanted to save all her nice things. If we have to leave here, we shall lose everything, she said. Okay, her mother said, suppose they had to go, then she will lose each and everything, and that's why she is keeping all these things to Mrs. Darling's house, and when they will come back they will take these things from her.